Welcome, today I am in E63S AMG and today I'll show you how you can turn on or turn off this characteristical beep sound. In the settings you can find it as acoustic feedback. So we have to go for the settings at the first. Next we have to be in the system, click on the controls, and then we have to scroll down and find this option right here, acoustic operation feedback. And when you are going to turn it off, as you can hear right now, we don't have this sound enabled, but you can also change loudness level, so we can pick normal or loud. So we can decide, I'm going to pick normal. After that, you can just simply go back, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.